Hey everyone, Robles Jr. here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be discussing a problem that we have in the PSN store or PS store. So anytime you try to log in, you get this error. And I'm going to log into my PlayStation Network here. And it should kick back with an error code. And there it is, NW-8942-3. So this happens every single time I try to go into the PS store. Also, if you're trying to watch like Netflix or if you're trying to go into Crunchyroll, for me Crunchyroll does not work. Netflix is working just fine. And there is a very simple fix to this problem. Before we get started, I just want to be very clear that this will only work for the jailbroken PS Vitas that are on NW-8942-3. So you have to be on a permanent jailbroken PS Vita. So this console that I'm using, the PS Vita 1000, is on 3.60 NW-8942-3. Please do not try this if you're not on Enso. So you won't be able to do this method here or install any sort of package, which I'll show you here shortly, on your console. So if you're on 3.73 NW-8942, please do not try this at all. Now that we got all that out of the way, we can now begin on fixing this problem. Let's go to our Vita shell and fix this problem. So we're going to connect our PS Vita to our PC. Here is Vita shell, so let's press start and make sure our select button is on USB. Perfect. Let's go back and hit select, and we should now be in USB connection. So let's move on to our desktop here, and there is our USB drive, our PS Vita USB drive. Click on the first link in the description down below and it will take you to github.com. Here is ITLS-Enso version 3.2, and let's click on the .vpk link. 2.62 megabytes. Very good. So let's show in our folder here. There is our VPK. Perfect. And we're just going to simply copy this over to our PS Vita. There we go. Very simple stuff. And we're going to go back onto our Vita and install that VPK. Back on Vita shell, let's go to our UXO folder and find that VPK. There it is, ITLS-Enso, and we're going to install this application. There we go. It kind of stalled there for a second. And let's go back home. And we now have the ITLS-Enso ready to go. So let's start the application. And we have several options here. We have install the full ITLS package, install the plugin, install compact module web browser, install the HTTP SSL modules. So what we're going to do is just install the full ITLS package. So hit X and it will begin installing the package onto your console. So now our console will reboot. Once it's done finished rebooting, we can go ahead and give this a shot. And it should work and get us into the PS store. And there it is, all ready to go. So now I can go and look at all the new releases, the top downloads, and continue to purchase the games on here. Alright, so now let's try Crunchyroll. I was getting an error every time I tried to log in. It was giving me some kind of error code. So installing this package should solve this problem. And also, if you are having error with Netflix and unable to connect, this should also solve that problem. And I believe with Crunchyroll you have a 14-day free trial, which I will definitely take advantage of. This is very nice. Let's take a look here with My Hero, my favorite show. And looks like they have episodes available. Let's see what we can do. So we can try premium for free or watch with ads. So let's try with Square here and see what we're at. All right, so looks like it is working. Very sweet, man. That is very cool. So I can't really pause or do anything, but I can go back to the main screen by pressing circle. That is very cool. So I'm very happy that this is finally working for me. So yeah, very easy fix. All you have to do is just install the package, but please make sure that you're on 3.60 or 3.65 Enso. So it will only work for those two firmwares. If you're on 3.73, unfortunately, it will not work. So you will have to be on a permanent jailbroken PS Vita on Enso. So just make sure of that. Well, that is it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This was a very quick video to make sure that you guys are up to speed on fixing that issue. I know a lot of you have been asking for a video on this for me to cover, and I'm hoping that it will solve some of your problems there by logging into the PS Store or watching some videos on Crunchyroll or Netflix. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot, especially here on YouTube's algorithm. Crazy how it works. Just make sure to hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.